Welcome to this SAP Administrator tutorial. In this journey, we'll dive into the essentials every SAP administrator needs to know, from core skills to critical responsibilities. Don't worry, we'll keep things straightforward and engaging, almost like you're chatting with a colleague over coffee. So, strap in and get ready for an insightful ride into the world of SAP. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's kick things off by exploring what SAP Administration really means. Think of it as the backbone of ERP systems. It ensures seamless operations and drives efficiency. We'll touch on the core importance of managing SAP properly. And by the end, you'll understand why SAP admins are often regarded as the silent heroes of business operations. Now let's talk about the multitasking marvels called SAP administrators. From maintaining systems to troubleshooting user issues, their role is nothing short of a superhero's job. And yes, while they don't wear capes, they ensure data remains secure and systems perform like clockwork. Stick around, and I promise to unpack all of this without overwhelming you. Here, we'll step into the intricate world of SAP architecture. Think of it as the blueprint of a skyscraper. We'll break down the layers and connections to make it less intimidating and more exciting. By the end, you'll know the landscape inside out and might even find it fun to picture SAP modules as pieces of a giant puzzle. Let's roll up our sleeves and tackle SAP Installation and Configuration. This is where it all begins, the foundation of a smooth-running system. We'll discuss everything from planning requirements to validating configurations. It's not as daunting as it sounds, I promise, and hey, who doesn't love the thrill of setting things up? Now it's time to talk people, users, roles, and permissions. SAP administrators are part detective, part gatekeeper, ensuring compliance and access control. We'll explore how creating profiles and managing roles is an art, not just a task. So get ready to add a touch of creativity to technical expertise. Performance tuning is like giving your car a regular checkup. It keeps things running smoothly. Here, we'll talk about monitoring system health, spotting bottlenecks, and improving performance proactively. It's all about staying ahead of the curve to avoid those dreaded system hiccups. Backup strategies are like having insurance. You hope you never need it, but it's there when you do. We'll chat about why regular backups are crucial, how to set schedules, and the thrill of restoring systems post-disaster. Spoiler alert, there's no better feeling than saving the day. TMS sounds fancy, doesn't it? It's essentially the logistics arm of SAP, managing data transport between systems. We'll discuss how to handle transport requests and ensure integrity, all while keeping things smooth and streamlined. Trust me, it's the stuff legends are made of in SAP circles. Patch management and upgrades might not sound glamorous, but they're crucial for keeping SAP systems secure and efficient. We'll talk about applying patches, planning upgrades, and the thrill of testing updates. Think of it as leveling up your system to keep it ahead of the game. SAP security isn't just about keeping intruders out. It's about letting the right people in. We'll talk about roles, access controls, and security policies. Plus, you'll learn how to manage security incidents efficiently. Because nothing says thrill like chasing down unauthorized access. And of course, compliance is key. You wouldn't want the auditors knocking, would you? Think of SAP database administration like taking care of a high-performance race car. You've got to fine-tune its performance, ensure the fuel data is pure, and have a solid recovery plan in case of an unexpected crash. Oh, and let's not forget storage. Nobody wants a messy garage, right? Troubleshooting SAP is like being a detective. You find clues, analyze evidence, and crack the case. Logs and diagnostic tools are your magnifying glasses, and problem-solving skills are your secret weapon. And preventive measures, well, let's just say it's always better to stop the crime before it happens. Welcome to SAP HANA, where speed meets efficiency. We'll go over its architecture, database operations, and query optimization, so your system runs like a dream. And of course, we'll cover health monitoring, because even databases need checkups now and then. Integrating SAP with other systems is like making sure different languages translate perfectly. We configure interfaces, manage data flow, and ensure smooth conversations between systems. And when integration issues pop up, it's time to play tech diplomat. SAP Basis is where all the magic happens. We'll look at essential transactions, administrative tools, and maintenance tasks. Optimization, that's like making your system hit peak performance, because no one wants a sluggish SAP. Best practices are like golden rules. Break them at your own peril. We'll establish workflows, monitor proactively, and bring in automation so that SAP administration feels less like firefighting and more like smooth sailing. And there you have it, the essentials of SAP administration. But this isn't the end. It's just the beginning. You can dive deeper with advanced courses, join SAP communities, and keep learning. Because in the world of SAP, knowledge isn't power, it's survival. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.